you guys, good morning. It's Andrea. Welcome back to my channel. So this is gonna be a productive day in my life, and today I'm going to take you guys with me throughout my day. So without further ado, let's get started with the video.
Put your head on my shoulder.
Okay guys, so right now I'm gonna clean my room kasi it heavily needs cleaning talaga. So let's just get into it, shall we? Grabe guys, sobrang time consuming maglinis ng blinds talaga. Tingnan nyo naman yung na-accumulate niya na dumi. Oo. Yung purple naming basahan, naging black na talaga. It's almost 12 noon na. Magla-lunch muna kami. And I'll resume cleaning my room later. Wow! Sopas for lunch. Let's get it!
Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why is
Shut. Okay guys, so kakatapos ko lang mag-lunch. So, back to work tayo.
June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk down like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to.
Ayan guys, tapos ko na ilinisin yung blinds. Ay, yung blinds, yung jalousie. Or basically yung windows ko. And oh, may stand niya. Alinaw na ng ating view. Ano, ito, tingnan niya. Ayan. Pak na pak. Kasi ito yung isa. Okay guys, so next ko naman lilinisin is itong study table ko kasi very makalat na siya.
Teachers not gonna be the same. Finna be down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, why you gotta go.
Okay, so bago ko isoli yung mga gamit dito sa ibabaw ng aking study table, ayusin ko lang tong drawer. Ayan ang kalat ng laman, sobrang sabog-sabog siya, So, ayusin lang natin to.
Drown myself inside the juice, yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth.
Ayan guys, all done na siya and I'm pretty satisfied na with it. So, isosoli ko na yung mga gamit dito sa tabletop.
It's getting colder when the sun comes out. Might just waste away, don't know what life about.
Okay you guys, so kung nakita nyo sa time-lapse, parang nakaganon ako sa phone na habang naglilinis is because habang naglilinis ako, tumawag yung UNICEF. Kasi kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung isa kong vlog, yung birthday photoshoot vlog, I would link it in the description below. Nung araw na yun kasi, nag-donate kami nila Donnie tsaka nila Simone sa UNICEF. Ngayon tumawag ulit sila kasi meron daw silang bagong campaign para sa frontliners. Para din to those people who are primarily affected by the COVID-19 virus. Para if ever na you guys would like to help UNICEF and their campaign and their movement, then you can visit the link down below of their website. And I hope na we can all make a change. And back to cleaning na naman tayo.
Angel boy, you say that.
Tapos na tayo dito sa ating table, So, move on naman tayo dito sa next area natin.
Never gonna stand a chance. Heartbreak like a sad romance. Said that you never come back again. Been 3 days, now you're back again. But I'm not your man, no I'm not your man.
Shoutout nga pala kay Kenneth na nagbigay sa akin ng mga magagandang music box na ito. Sobrang appreciate ko po. Ito naman, You Are My Sunshine. Please don't take my sunshine away. Balik to paglilinis na tayo.
Baby, it's the way that you make me wanna lay back. If I can put the blame and the weight of my mind, open up a case and I'm already blind. Oh, I'm way too unpredictable. I can't be held responsible for nothing. There's something in the way you make me.
Iba naman ito. We have a Rubik's Cube. Yan. Completely random. So, isusolve natin. Hindi ako masyadong mabilis dito, so bear with me.
Favorite toy.
Yes. Back to cleaning. Tama ng paglalaro. Okay guys, so naka-water break muna ako ngayon. Sarap. Okay, so ang gagawin naman natin ngayon guys, we would be decluttering my small makeup collection.
Stop, stare, want your body, damn.
That's it. Ayan guys, so nasegregate ko na yung makeup. So, onti lang naman pala yung expired na. So, papakita ko lang sa inyo. That I'm gonna keep. And ito lang naman yung expired. Ayan. So, isa-sanitize ko lang itong mga products guys. Yung mga keep products. And itong mga organizers bago ko siya isolid doon.
Never gonna stand a chance. Angel boy. You say that I'm your favorite toy. But I'll never be your angel.
Nakapagod. Tapos na tayo. Okay guys, so tapos na tayo maglinis ng aking kwarto. Time check, it's almost 4 na sa hapon. And dapat papaligo ako si Bailey, yung aso ko. Dapat papaligo ako siya today. Nga lang, biglang umulan kanina. Wala masyadong araw. Baka magkasakit siya pag hindi ko siya pinaliguan ng maaraw. Namimitas na lang ako ng avocado dyan sa puno namin sa garden. Kasi sabi ni Grandma, magpitas na raw ako kasi harvest time. Tara na kaibigan at tayo mamitas na ng avocado. Ayan po ang ating avocado tree. Ayan. Mamimitas na tayo.
I'm drunk, I'm probably faded. I know you probably hate it. Thought I was done with you, but girl, you're so persuasive. I think these drinks are strong. I think that life's not long. Oh, so I told myself I won't look back, I won't give in, I won't get lost. I tell myself every damn time that I've moved on. You got me screaming me up more. You always leave me needing more.
Ayan. So, ito ang ating literal fruit of our labor talaga. Nasugatan pa nga ako. Hello guys. So, andito tayo sa parang mini garage and magpapagpag lang ako. May ibabrush lang ako na coat. Hindi naman po halata na banal yung pamilya natin. Guys, pwede na ba akong santo? When you love someone. Bawal ka dito! Bawal ka dito. Okay guys, so try on haul po tayo. Ayan. So, ito na po ang aking coat na Grenache. Ayan. At para siya yung mga sinusuot ng ng secret agent talaga. Yung mga kapag undercover sila. Nakaganyan. Oh my God. Paris vibes talaga. Hello, Mr. Bond. I've been expecting you. Ayan, so ito guys, yung pre-cook ko kagahapon na fries. Covered siya in cornstarch. Tapos pre-mix ko siya. Tapos ngayon, lulutuin na natin. Talaga. Let's cook. Naan ko pa? Oo. Hello! Ano yun? Yes, I do the cooking. Yes, I do the cleaning. Woy! Gumaganon kasi. Gumaganon. Ayan. Ayan.
You got me screaming me up more. You always leave me needing more. Yeah, you always show up at my door. Even when I try to say goodbye, I'm yours.
Ayun, ang haggard ko. Tinanggal ko na yung braids ko. So, I was just about to hop into the shower. But before that, I just wanted to let you know na I know that there are a lot of things happening right now, but I still hope na you don't forget to take care of yourself and that you prioritize your well-being and your mental health rin. These days have been really tough times. And I hope, guys, that you don't underestimate the power of your voice kasi your voice is so powerful, you know. I hope you know the impact that you can make by simply signing some petitions that I have linked down below. Yun lang naman for today's video. So if you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to be notified whenever I post a new video. So this has been the Teenage Filipina Girl and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye. Love you.